As we start to get older, we come to understand that our health is our primary asset. Moreover, the responsibility of maintaining an optimal level of good health and physical fitness lies fairly and squarely with us. It is paramount, therefore, that we take proactive measures to put our health first and take care of ourselves. With age comes nasty niggles, deep aches and persistent pains. They pop up, often overnight, out of nowhere and for no reason. And yes, even the fittest among us still carry a few war wounds from our younger days that are now re-emerging at an alarming rate. Are joint tissues bothering you? Is blood circulation a concern for you? And are you less and less mobile with each passing day? Or do you just feel that you're not living your best life?
Then the answer may be Niagara's unique Cycloid Vibration Therapy.
To put you in the picture, Niagara is a proud family-owned Australian company manufacturing highly specialised therapy equipment
That is entered in the Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods as Class IIa Medical Devices.
Now, for a little bit of context and history, the process called cycloid vibration is at the heart of the success of the Niagara massage machines.
The patent to this process was bought way back in 1949 in the USA by philanthropist and biomedical engineer Owen K. Murphy.
Fast forward to today. After extensive medical studies and published research papers, Niagara CVT equipment comes to you today in a range of styles and formats, tailored to best suit your particular lifestyle. You might want a handheld
Device or a thermocyclopad. You may end up choosing the luxurious and comfy Apollo recliner with integrated cycloid vibration therapy system. Or the Platinum range of Adjustomatic sleep systems may be exactly the sleep solution that you have been searching for. Whatever the Niagara product that you select, you are looking to actively take steps to make your future quality of life a priority.
And you deserve it. Cycloid vibration therapy aids in moving the blood around the body, and as we all know, healthy blood circulation is one of the key factors to a lively, proactive and productive life. No secrets there.
Improved circulation may also help us heal quicker, move better, and reduce the amount of joint pain impacting our lives.
Whichever exceptional product you choose from us, you can rest assured that there have been clinical studies and rigorous testing to support Niagara's therapeutic claims. These studies have shown that CVT may assist with
Increase local area blood flow, assist in the reduction of musculoskeletal pain, increase joint mobilization, reduce excess edema, swelling, whether the cause is vascular or lymphatic, assist in the treatment of wounds and pressure ulcers, where an improvement in local blood circulation is a factor, assist in the treatment of cellulitis, where an improvement in local blood circulation is a factor. You may be suffering from joint stiffness and soreness, reduced mobility, blood circulation issues, pressure ulcers or treating wounds. Perhaps you may have lymphedema or fluid retention. All these conditions may be benefited by the way that CVT improves the flow and circulation of blood around the body. Essential to what we do every day, the body needs oxygen and nutrients to be transferred efficiently to our cells via unimpeded blood flow, and that same circulation needs to take away
carbon dioxide and nasty toxins. Healthy flow, healthy feeling.
With all this in mind, it's time to look at the impressive range of Niagara Therapy products that are available to you for use in your own home.
For targeted therapy, you can use the CVT handheld unit,
which allows you to have a deep tissue massage in specific areas. The hand unit comes with rubber caps, allowing you to use it on your scalp. And it is easily manoeuvrable around joints like knees and elbows.
Another impressive Niagara device you might consider is the Cyclopad.
This is a highly portable device that incorporates 3 different therapy modes, and it also has a heat function. The Cyclopad is perfectly suited for use in bed or on the couch and is great for travel. Both the CVT hand unit and Cyclopad are available as 12-volt or as truly portable devices that feature an advanced lithium-ion battery system that allows for reliable and long battery life for multiple therapy sessions.